To congratulate each of my classmates on making it to where we are right now. It may not feel like a huge accomplishment to graduate high school, but we should not take it for granted. We are living examples of how far society has come in terms of education. Even just 50 years ago, it was considered rare to graduate high school, let alone attend college. We have successfully changed the norm. We have put a higher value on education than ever before, and this will only serve to benefit us. I want everyone to truly appreciate how important it is to be walking through this arch. We have worked so hard to reach this point, but do not let the hard work end here. In fact, let us work even harder in life. Let us continue to push ourselves to not only be the best we can be, but to make the most of this life. Our struggle does not end here, and I use the term struggle with positive connotations. By struggle, I mean our fight to make a difference in this world. We have taken the first huge step by finishing high school. Now we must continue to make leaps and bounds, whether it is attending college, traveling, or simply starting a family. Whatever you may end up doing, do it the best you can. Make an effort to spread positivity, to take care of yourself, and most importantly, share everything you can with the world. We all have wonderful, intelligent ideas growing inside of us. We all contain the potential to change the world. None of this matters if we do not act upon it or try to bring our ideas to life. I know that may sound a little cliche, but to me it is immensely important. By making our lives the best we possibly can, it is more likely that we can make the world better as well, even if it is only in the most trivial way. We are not only citizens of Wellsboro or the United States, but we are citizens of the world, and we need to do our part. We all have one of the most important tools to make a difference, and that is the education we received here. Education is not the only thing that matters, but if we use it properly, we can all lead successful, happy lives. I hope that we are all able to do this. I truly hope that each and every one of you goes on to do great things. Please do not forget how much there is to life, and do not take it for granted. May the class of 2014 be one that is always remembered as exceptional. Let's step forward and make our mark in history. Thank you.